Owners will consider offers from $229,999 to $259,999. Rebuilt from the ground up with home warranty included. Here's your chance to get a new build without paying the price. This fully renovated farmhouse, which meets/exceeds new build code, has all new 200 amp electrical, new plumbing, baseboard heating, HWT, windows, doors, blown-in/spray foam insulation and exterior siding. This 4-bedroom/2-bath home boasts an open floor plan, stylish kitchen with white shaker cabinets, farm sink and reclaimed wood. Gorgeous all-new appliances, hardwood bamboo floors, fresh new carpet and tile throughout. Enjoy the luxury of first floor laundry west/a back door to the fully fenced yard for the kids and pets. Relax in your private first floor master bedroom with ensuite bath which has a shower for two. This house has loads of entertaining space and is situated on a quiet street within walking distance to the school, historic general store, park and library. Small town charm within highly rated Iroquois School district. The backyard has plenty of space to add a garage, barn, shed, pool, deck, garden, playground or whatever you'd like. Why renovate when you can move in and have everything already done?